Deratech SAP3 1550 Punching and Shearing Compound Machine integrates a CNC turret punching machine with a CNC right-angle shear into one highly efficient system. Both units share a single CNC control system and a unified feeding system, enabling continuous operations such as punching, forming, and shearing within one workflow. The machine is also equipped with an automatic sorting and unloading system, which classifies finished parts after processing, significantly reducing manual intervention. Compared with traditional production lines that rely on multiple machines, such as separate punching and shearing equipment, this combination machine completes all processes in a single positioning. This greatly reduces material handling time and positioning errors, resulting in a substantial improvement in overall production efficiency. SAP3 1550 features two auto-indexing units, allowing multiple stations to perform a wide range of punching and forming operations. Its dual-blade slide system is independently configured, with each blade directly driven by a ball screw, ensuring high shearing speed and excellent energy efficiency. The main drive system consists of a servo motor, synchronous belt, and ball screw, offering a simple, reliable structure with minimal maintenance requirements. Blade stroke can be programmed to eliminate unnecessary movement and further enhance cutting efficiency. The output conveyor is designed for smooth and stable operation, effectively preventing material jamming. After entering the sheet thickness via the control panel, the blade clearance is automatically adjusted. Both blades support half shearing, allowing unlimited cutting length. In addition, the sheet repositioning function enables narrow clamping edges, maximizing material utilization.